So now I will talk about the global government. First, I will give you the definition of global government, and then good points and also the bad points of global government, and finally I'll give you the solution for those bad points. So first I will give you the definition of global government. You can imagine global government as the United Nations with authority. That each country should remain as nations, and the global government should be a hub of all of the countries, and it is composed of most of the countries. So I'll give you some good points of global government. One is one world currency. Now we have many kinds of currency in the world. However, if we make one world currency, you can imagine as EU system. The system might promote global economy, and also the rich country can give support directly to poor countries. Next good point is world law. Global government will make world law, and with the authority of the law, it will be easier to keep the world peace. So next, I will give you some bad point of the global government. So to communicate with other people from the other country, we need the world language. And seeing current situation, you can easily imagine that English become world common language. Because of English imperialism, two problems might come up. Firstly, it is an inequality in politics. You can see that from the picture. Those two are left outside of the main groups, and those main groups are composed of the English speaker. So you can see inequality even in the politics. Next is identity crisis. Because the value of English become higher and higher, some government force citizens to learn English. It might be hard situation for minority group to keep their language. Next problem might be capitalism. Keep pursuing capitalism, invasion of human rights might happen. So to prevent those problems, I will give you some solution for those problems. For the world language, in addition to the mother language, we need the world common language. Do you know Esperanto? The key points of the Esperanto is that it is man-made language, so no one has the language as native tongue. Therefore, it can prevent inequality in politics or economics and so on. However, Esperanto is made only by Western language. Don't you think it is still unfair? So we should create another new world language, including some Asian language, for example Japanese, Korean, Chinese. For the invasion of human rights caused by capitalism, we need observation to check the global government. Otherwise, there is no limitation for the global government, and the observation should be separated from the global government. However, when you think the observation, you might have some question like who runs the observation and how give the authority to the observation. So I want you to think about those questions. end of the presentation. And those are references. Thank you for listening.